Welcome everyone, my name is Angela. Today we're going to talk about common errors people commit in writing and speaking English, and specifically in this class, using me and I incorrectly. So those both in the wrong places. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with others. I'm so happy to see you. Let's get started in this next class using me instead of I, and vice versa. So when do we use each of these? Let's start out with that. I is used as a pronoun, and it's when it's the subject of a sentence, meaning when we use I, it means I am going to perform the action of the verb. Okay, here's a few examples. I went to the store. So who's doing the action? I. Yeah, so I went to the store. How about this? She is my sister and I am her brother. So who is the subject of the sentence? I am, right? Because I'm saying she is my sister and I am her brother. I am talking about me and how everyone is related to me. He is taller than I. So again, comparison with me. So I'm going to use I. And she and I are going on a trip. Who are we talking about? We're talking about the girl and we're talking about me. So I'm going to use she and I are going on a trip. Good. Let's talk about me. So the action of the verb is being done by you. So for example, she called me. So who did she call? She called me. I'm not doing the action. It's being done to me. So I am being called, so I'm going to use me. He gave the book to me. So who gave me the book? I'm not giving the book. It's being given to me. So I'm going to use me. How about it is me on the phone? Yeah, so it's being done to me. She is as smart as me. So I'm doing a comparison, but I'm talking about the girl. Yeah, and I'm saying she is as smart as me. So let's try out a few examples. We're going to keep I and me there at the top so we can see it. And let's look at our first sentence. Me and Sarah went to the store. So is something being done to me? Or am I doing something in this sentence? I'm the one doing something. So I'm not going to use me. I'm going to use I. Do I say I and Sarah went to the store? No, right? In this case, I changed the order. I'm going to say Sarah and I went to the store. Okay? Because I'm talking about myself. Or I'm doing the action, I'm doing the verb in the sentence. How about this one? He invited Sarah and I to the party. So this is what we had in the last sentence, right? Sarah and I went to the store. But in this sentence, are Sarah and I doing the verb? The verb invited. Am I doing it? No, right? I'm receiving it. Yeah? It's being done to me. I am being given an invitation. So in this case, we're going to say he invited Sarah and me to the party. Got it? We're going to try more. Don't worry. Next one. The teacher asked a question and me answered. Very good. So the teacher's asking a question, but in the second part of the sentence, the verb answer. Did the teacher answer? Who answered? I did, right? So in that part, I am doing the action. So it's not me answered because it's not like I'm being given an answer. I am giving the answer. So I'm going to say, and I answered. Make sense? Good job. Let's do another one. She handed the report to Sarah and I. She handed the report to Sarah and I. This is a very common error because in sentences we say Sarah and I went to the store. Sarah and I went to the party. Sarah and I like to eat ice cream. So here we want to add Sarah and I. But are we doing the verb? Are we handing the report? No, right? It's being done to us. So we're going to say she handed the report to Sarah and me. Yeah, so use me as the object of the preposition to, okay? How about this one? Me and my brother enjoy hiking. It's true, me and my brother enjoy hiking. Who's doing the action? Me, or is it being done to me? I am, right? So I'm going to say, remember, we're going to switch it again. My brother and I, like Sarah, remember? Sarah and I, my brother and I enjoy hiking. Phew, what do you think? Do you got it? I think you do. I think you do. So remember, I is when we are performing the action. Me is when somebody is performing the verb to us. So she handed me, or he gave me, or the teacher told me. Okay, and then I when I am doing it. Do you have it? Do you want to try some test ones? Here are some sentences. So they congratulated John and I on the achievement. Is that right? Me and Alex will be presenting the project. Is that right? She took a photo of Bob and I. What do you think of that? The teacher praised Mary and I for the good grades. So tell me below, right? If you have any other questions about me and I, let me know as well. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Good job, everybody. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.